Hi lovelies, you're welcome to V's Delight YouTube channel. For this video, I'll be showing you how I stenciled on this fondant cake. You can always stencil on a buttercream cake, but make sure your buttercream is frozen before you work on it. So here I have the stencil and also have my bamboo stick. The bamboo stick will be used as a pin to hold our stencil to our fondant cake. So if you don't have a bamboo stick, just make use of any pin that can pass through your stencil to your cake. That's all. And when you're placing your stencil to the cake, make sure you make it fit. Do not make it loose. If not, when you're applying your royal icing, you might make some mistake. So I pinned the both sides, and now I'll proceed to adding my royal icing. If you don't know how to make royal icing, you can just check in the description. I left a link there. It will take you to a video where I made the royal icing. I just used 2 basic ingredients and you'll get your royal icing. So back to the video. All you need to do is apply the royal icing to the stencil you have there. Apply it all over the part where the cake is, not all over the stencil, because if you check the upper part, the cake did not get to that part. So just apply it and make sure it's well covered. Once that is done, you can scrape out the excess royal icing you have on the cake. And once you're also done with that, you take out the bamboo stick from the both side and take out the stencil, and that is how you will have your stencil design on your fondant cake or your buttercream cake. It's as easy as ABC. All you just need to do is to be careful so you don't mess it up. I did not even let it stay for any minute. As soon as I was done scraping it, I peeled it out and it came out well. So I'll do the same with the remaining part that is not yet covered. Place your stencil on your cake. Also use your bamboo stick or any pin you have to hold it. Here I added more because I noticed the top was not too fitted, it was not too tight. And again, I'll rub the royal icing on the cake, scrape it, take out my bamboo stick and take out the stencil, and that is all for this video. Let me know what you think about this method of making a stencil on your cake. It's totally easy and I love the design it gives to the cake. Instead of just leaving your cake plain, this will work very well. If there's any part you also notice that is not well stencil, you can still stencil on those parts. And this is what we're having here. The top, I have another design I'll be using for this cake. That is why it's still plain this way. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos.